How's it going? My name is Felix. I'm the broker owner of Pelican Property Management Services here in the Pensacola area. I'm here at another rental. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, around 1,100 square feet, and it's located at 6700 Ventura Boulevard. This property is on the corner, pan out here a little bit, of Ventura, which goes up and down this way, and Otis, which goes up and down this way. This property sits on a huge lot. Let me take you on the inside here. So like I said, it's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. As you enter the home, you have a nice and open living room right here. Okay. To the right is going to be the primary bedroom. Looks like there is currently a king bed, so plenty of room in here. And I'll kind of pan back so you can see that. So there's currently a king bed with end tables, dresser, and some more. So there's plenty of room, and there's even a crib so you can get an idea of the room. This is the closet space and the primary bedroom right there. All right, as we go out of here back into the living room again. Nice and open kitchen. So get an idea of the space. As you're in here, you're able to kind of see the whole house. All right. Go in here. There is the laundry room right there. So washer and dryer hookups. This is a 1-bath. Here it is. Right there. And then the second bedroom, which is also a very large bedroom. Take a look at the closet. Get an idea of the plenty of space that's in here. Now we're going to go take a look at the backyard. Backyard is huge. And then there is a garage back here. So if you have workout equipment or a hobby, you're able to store that in here. So there you go. Like I said, this property has plenty of room, located at 6700 Ventura Boulevard. My name is Felix. I am the broker owner of Pelican Property Management Services. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call at 850-417-3247. Once again, that's 850-417-3247. Thank you.